everything beautiful. Lucky I never got trapped in a cubicle. If I did it, then you can do it too. Just follow my moves. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking is fluent. All of my business booming. Stacking my cash in abundance. All of my family funded. Finally got what I wanted. Life is amazing, I love it. Everyone know that I run it. Yeah, my family home for the holidays. I'm in the studio.
Hey guys, it's your favorite girl, Naj. She hustles. So, it has taken me months and months to clean off my truck. You see all this mess that I had on my truck? So tomorrow we're supposed to be getting a huge snowstorm. So I need to clean off my truck. I need a shovel because the last time it snowed, I was stuck. I was literally using a stainless steel bowl, all right, to try to dig myself out of the snow. It was the craziest thing ever. I should have recorded that for you guys to see. But just want to show y'all. So this is the type of thing I work with. Look at this. Pretty. Oh, this is still good. Oh shoot, I'm about to throw this out. Oh shoot. Let me put this back. It's still good. See this? Oh no, it's not. Okay, no, it's not. It's not good. No good. No good. No good. No good. Okay. It is nasty out here. This is a terminal. This is like an 8-port terminal because look, it has 1, 2, 3, 4. You get the picture. It is freezing. It's like 20-something degrees right now out here. It is cold. So, this is what I use, guys. This is a tail. This is an into a tail. Slice this up, fuse it together, and that's how you get internet service, phone service.
Go get the money, go get the money. Go get the money, go get the money.
So I'm here at the property. I want to see what the guys are doing out here. It's still snowing. They started putting the siding, so I just want to take a look to see. Came here with my mother. Look at her. She is not gonna let me sell this house, honey. Okay? She is like, she love this house. She is not trying to let me sell it. We'll see what happens. And look at this. Look at this guy. He's doing the siding. Look at all this snow. I need to be ashamed. I gotta come over here and clean up because this is horrible. Look at the dumpster. I gotta call to have the dumpster picked up because it is full to capacity. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at that siding. This is nice. It's a dark color. I don't know if you guys could see these guys up here. They are working even in the snow, huh? Ooh, look at this. Yes. Look at this snow. Oh my God. I swear I do not want to deal with this anymore. Get the black windows. Hello? How are you? The black windows. Ooh. I'm so excited. Y'all, this is like my best project. Let's go in here. Let's see. Look at my mother. There go my mother.
Mba konen si de yo pa fet, mba konen inspektè de bi inspektè vini fò tout bagay fini.
About the house.
Inspektè.
She love the house. How am I convince this lady that I'm trying to sell? How? How am I do it? How am I do it?
You try to sell a house? You try to sell a house? When you tell papa who sell?
Go far. My father had to sell.
Charlie.
I ain't selling the house.
La fè video, de la pale de video, ou la p'chwaye, la p'konvek mwe, pou l'chwaye, pou l'sell a house. Ouh, that charge. Yeah, e ka la bel, oui, la bel.
And get some money.
Yeah, mesyo sa la poche, nou konen ka la bagen blo.
It's going to help a little bit, because I'm
Ou e zero de soti an kon pitit?
I'm in a lot of debt, so I need something.
Men ou fè premye lo, 500 de.
Oh God.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.